Here's a 2008 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM XM satellite radio, key fob activated rear windows, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, 8-way driver's seat control, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated leather bucket seats. Of the Accord, Consumer Guide reports its rewarding balance of price, performance, and passenger accommodations make it a best buy for shoppers in this class. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.